Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Unorthodox Makeup Box. If you want to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. I've already done this eye and I'm going to show you on camera how I did it on this side. Let's get to it. First of all, I am going to put my eyeshadow base down. For that I use MAC Select Cover Up. This is the shade NW15. I'm going to take a little bit on a flat brush. I have already done my eyebrows. Let me know if you would like a video on how I do them. Leave a comment in the comments below. So once I've got the base down, I'm going to take this fluffy brush, which again is from Morphe, but it doesn't have a number on. And I'm just going to pat that base down so that it's nice and even and it takes away a little bit of the tackiness, but not too much. And I'm just going to buff out the edge so that when I do my face makeup, it makes it a lot easier to blend out. Clearly, I love this palette. It's very well used. So I'm going to take this shade first as my transition shade, and I'm going to use my Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease Brush. I'm just going to start off by putting that all along the crease. This is so strange, like knowing that I'm sat here videoing this for it to go on YouTube. How weird. I've wanted to start a YouTube channel for such a long time. But yeah, I've just got around to doing it, so I'm excited. Just using windshield wiper movements. So now that I've got the fair shade down, I'm going to take my Zoeva Luxe Defined Crease Brush 224 and this shade here. And I'm just going to work that into the crease. Again, you want to bring it all the way down into that corner because when we cut the crease, it's going to make such a difference. Take that brush again, wherever I've put it, back to the 228 with the lighter shade on, and I'm just going to, without any more product, go over this line here. Darker shade again, a little bit more, and I'm just going to do the same. I asked on Instagram what type of look it was that you guys wanted to see, and you chose quite a neutral coloured eye rather than a bold bright eye. So that is what I'm doing. You guys asked, it's what is again. And then again, because it's got quite harsh, I'm going to take a clean blending brush and I'm just going to make sure that this bit is nice and blended. Another Morphe brush that hasn't got a number on it. I'm going to take the darkest shade in the palette, which is this one. That dark shade into this corner. I'm going to bring it a little bit towards the inner corner. And then again, I'm just going to take that 224 brush from Zoeva that I used the middle shade on, and I'm just going to buff that edge out. You want it nice and clean. And I'm going to take that lighter brush and I'm just going to make sure everything is seamless. So now I've got that down, I'm very happy with it. I'm going to cut the crease. So I'm going to take a little flat brush. I'm going to take the lighter shades in the palette, which is this one. And I'm just going to pack that on. So I'm not going to be moving my brush side to side, nothing like that. Literally, just going to pack it on. Again with another flat little brush. This is the Zoeva 237 Detail Shade Brush, and I'm just going to take the lighter shade that I used for a transition colour, and I'm just going to pack that onto the middle-ish. And then I'm going to take that medium dark shade again on the same brush, and I'm going to join this dark shade and this light shade together. Next thing we're going to do Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Liner in the colour Funk, which is this one, and we're just going to do a nice little glittery line across that crease. Then the next thing we're going to do is I'm just going to take some black liquid liner and I'm just going to line my lash line. And now onto face. The Flawless Brightening Primer from Barry M, which looks like this. I'm just going to apply this all over. Once I've got the primer down, I'm going to be using the Milani 2-in-1 Perfect Conceal foundation in the shade 2, which is Natural. Also going to mix it with, again, another Barry M product. It is the Liquid Chrome Highlighter Drops in the shade Beam Me Up. They look like this. And I'm going to take literally the teeniest, weeniest bit. I'm just going to pop that into the foundation. Illamasqua loose powder, and I'm going to use that to set under my eyes. Now I've set under my eyes, I'm gonna bronze up this face. I am gonna take my Zoeva 106 powder brush, which looks like this. And I'm gonna use the Revolution Bronze Shimmer Highlight, which looks like this. Now I've actually added some life to my face. I'm going to contour, and to contour I'm going to use another Revolution product. This is the Ultra Bronze on a Zoeva 127 brush. And I'm just going to carve out the very backs of my cheeks. Take my beauty blender and the Illamasqua loose powder to carve out these cheeks a little bit more, because like I said, I've still got my Christmas chin. See, now I have cheekbones. The Revolution blush palette, this is in the shade Sugar and Spice. It looks like this. And I'm going to mix these two shades here. I actually really love blush. I think that it ties everything together. Like you contour and you highlight. I think it just ties it together absolutely beautifully. And then I'm just going to dust away that loose powder. Go over my cheeks a little bit. I'm going to do under my Rude. I'm going to take the lighter shade that I used for my transition colour, and I'm just going to work that under my eyes. And then I'm going to take a little pencil brush. This is a Sigma brush, but and then to really smoke it out, I take the darkest shade that I used on the outer corner, and I'm going to take a little flat smudger brush. Again, this is another Sigma brush, E20 brush, and I'm just going to place that towards the outer corner. Highlight. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I'm going to give my face a little spritz of the Max Mac Fix Plus. I love the smell of this stuff. Oh my god, I am so excited that they have brought back the coconut one. Coconut is my fave. So it's the Revolution Sun Kiss Golden Kiss Super Intense Skin Loving Highlighter. Looks like this. This one. that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, let me know in the comments what you think down below, and yeah, I will see you guys on my next video.